G'day guys, I'm Alister. I'm the Operations Manager at Matter Solutions.
It's good to meet you, Alister. So Alister, our clients constantly come to us at these digital breakfasts and they always question, what should I not do? So can you tell me what you think a key mistake businesses make when it comes to digital marketing and how to avoid it?
So when you create a Google Ads account, there's a lot of things that can go wrong. But probably one of the biggest things is not listening to your data. So whether you're building out a new account or you're working on a currently enabled account, when you make your initial changes, give the account at least 6 weeks to collect data. That way, when you do make changes, they're informed based on the information that you've received.
Okay, small and large businesses make often the same mistakes. They read about a tactic, they think to themselves, hey, that's the thing I should do, and then off they go. They make a big mistake by rushing in the direction of one thing or another, and often you need to have a sort of a business, entrepreneurial kind of mindset to really think about which bits of digital marketing work for you. And what I mean by that is that very often in terms of marketing, what you're doing is you're working in uncertainty. So you're not just saying, oh, I need to do a bit of SEO, or I need to do a bit of Google ads, or I need to do some Facebook ads. What you've really got to think about is, I need to do something that I'm going to invest in, it's going to cost me money until it starts paying money back. So how much money have I got? And also, how soon is it going to be before it starts paying that money back? Because maybe you don't have enough to just invest in SEO for 9 months before it starts to give you any kind of returns. Think about uncertainty. If you're going to move in the direction of doing SEO, how do you focus in on the right keywords, the ones that are going to make you some money? And in that case, it may well be that you need to do a bit of Google ads, Facebook ads, and the Google ads will tell you which keywords to use, and the Facebook ads will help tell you what messages really strike a chord with people. So it's more to it than just, oh, I'm going to do this tactic or that tactic. You can strategically look, and even a simple conversation for a small business of, you know, I've got this much money, we need some leads by Christmas, let's do something. Well, yeah, we can actually think about that at a higher level than just this tactic. So to summarize, like, what's the biggest mistake people make? They rush. They rush into a tactic, and maybe that tactic is going to burn through all of their money, or it's going to basically waste all their time. And they're not going to get sort of a business outcome that they really want. That's what you need to do, is think about your business.
The biggest mistake I see is people not having a mobile optimized website. 68% of users on digital platforms are now mobile users. So if your website isn't mobile optimized, not only are you going to have issues getting organic traffic, but Google is actively going to penalize you in the search results. A great way of optimizing your website is using a theme that is already mobile optimized. So when you're first setting up your website, buy yourself a theme already good to go. So when you're putting in your photos, you're putting in your content, it's all ready to go, and you're not having to go back and build a mobile version and your normal desktop version, or hire a web developer.
I've said it once and I'll say it 1,000 times. You should be making sure that your conversion tracking is correct, because if you're not getting that correct, then you're not investing your money in the right place, and that's where you're going wrong. Or even if you are making sales, you're going to be wasting the data that could be telling you how to make even more sales.